Recessions can be a challenging time financially, but with the right strategies, you can protect your wealth and emerge stronger than before. Let's explore some effective tips to weather a recession. An emergency fund is crucial for financial stability during tough times. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. High-interest debt can be a major financial burden. Focus on eliminating debt, especially credit card debt, as quickly as possible. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including life, health, and property insurance. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. This could include dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday expenses. Consider ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle, negotiating a raise, or finding a higher-paying job. Stay informed about economic trends and potential risks. This will help you make informed financial decisions. By taking these proactive steps, you can increase your resilience and improve your chances of weathering a recession. Remember, preparation is key. Subscribe now for more financial tips and advice.